we just recently posted this article that talks about the value of $100 in each state. You might think $100, $100, right? It must be worth the same everywhere. That's not the case. You have many, many factors to consider when you actually think of the value of $100 in each state. And this article goes into depth into all those factors. If I remember correctly, Colorado is about like $98, $100 worth $98. So we're a little under. Sucks.
See, I feel like then we should get more back on taxes then, if our $100 is not worth as much.
Higher cost of living. And these are things to consider when you want to maybe move somewhere. You got to think about these things. I came from a state where it is $100 is worth $111. Becca came from a state that it's $100 worth $112. So we kind of took a cut whenever we moved here, but sometimes things balance out. Like we don't spend a lot of money on gas because we can walk places and we've got public transportation. But if you look, I want to say the highest worth is Mississippi, okay? They have a lower cost of living there, which means that $100 is worth $115, and I think that's the highest there. But, you know, they don't have mountains and all of those things that we love here. And sometimes you can relate how much cost of living and what money is worth to education level and even population. So lower population, you're going to get more bang for your buck because there's less people spending money there.
Yeah, it's really interesting. So the map is color-coded, and blue would be the states where it's less valuable, and orange are the states that are more valuable. And if you look at it, a lot of the states that are less valuable are on the coast, and then the ones that are more valuable are towards the center. So you can see it on your screen right now. So it's really interesting to think about, well, why is that? That's really kind of interesting. So money and economy, very interesting math stuff, and a lot involved in it, a lot of factors.
Yeah, and I would encourage you to pull up another map if you're interested in this and see where higher education is valued more, and I bet you see a link between these maps.
I'm sure. So thanks, Antonio, for sharing that. We do have a lot of great things on our Facebook page, just interesting, educational, maybe not educational, but just interesting. So you might learn something whenever you visit our Facebook page.
Definitely.
So.